Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make sautéed spicy mushrooms. For that we need here sliced mushrooms, salt and pepper according to your taste, mustard seeds, finely chopped green chilies and oil. So heat a pot over medium heat and add the oil. We'll not take much oil, we take less oil. Then we will add mustard seeds to it and crack an egg for 15 seconds. Then you will add mushrooms to it and give it a good stir. Keep your flame from low to medium and keep stirring it. Now season with salt and pepper. Salt helps the mushroom to release moisture more quickly. So at this stage you will add salt. So then our process of releasing the moisture from mushroom will get faster. Here you can see mushrooms start losing their moisture. Stir occasionally until all the moisture from the mushroom has evaporated. Now add the finely chopped green chilies and continue cooking until the oil separates from the mixture. So here you can see moisture is almost evaporated from the mixture and oil is separated from the mushrooms. Give it a good stir and serve it hot. You can adjust seasoning if needed and serve hot. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for more.